This video introduces a TRINITY use case focusing on collaborative disassembly with augmented reality interaction. We propose a solution for pre-training the operator with the virtual environment. This solution is targeted to increase the safety and productivity of human-robot collaboration in heavy-duty industrial applications. In this video, we'll present how our TRINITY solution contributes to agile manufacturing, what are the benefits of this solution in human-robot collaboration, how manufacturing companies can benefit from this solution, what kind of investments are required, and short conclusions. Pre-training the operators in virtual production environment helps in avoiding the unintended safety stops during the real production. With the proposed virtual training system, we can prepare the operator beforehand to work safely in a human-robot collaboration work cell. The virtual training environment improves operator understanding of the range of robot movements during the production. The system also provides interactive instructions helping the operator to perform the tasks and avoid dangerous situations. Utilizing user-friendly virtual environment and gamification approaches, we can enhance the operator learning process. The proposed VR training system can be used with different industrial and collaborative robots. The estimated hardware costs for a VR-based system is less than €5,000, including the computer, VR headset and Stream VR sensors. Software system has been built on open access modules, so no licensing fees are required for the system. Installing, updating and modifying the system requires good programming skills and experience with game engines. Thus, it should be considered as a part of the investment costs of this system. The proposed system can be used to train the operator to work safely with large industrial robots. The system provides additional functionality like safety visualization, safety instructions, and 3D user interface in one solution. The augmented reality-based parts of this use case have been proven functional and the technology readiness level is 6. If you got interested in our solutions and would like to find out more, see the following training material on the technical module VR-based safety training for human-robot collaboration. Thank you for watching this TRINITY use case introduction.